What's up, YouTube? Irish USMC Vet here. Hey guys and gals, got a video here for you. So I'm replying to, I guess, a video response. He didn't ask for it, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out there. He asked, what do you guys do for barter? And so his title was Shtf Barter Booze. So it's a VR to a Viking preparedness Pastor Joe Fox. If you don't know him, check him out. I'll leave a link in the comment section below or whatever. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, so he was talking about booze and these little travel bottles, probably too small. Yeah, I think once everything goes away, these bottles will be sufficient for, you know, celebratory. I don't even know what the hell that one is. So anyways, I stock these. A lot of times you get them at Christmas time. You get a not ice cream, Jesus Lord, candy cane. And they'll have a different selection of such and such, whether it be Jack Daniels, Jim Beam, Fireball one. All these came out of those little candy canes that you get at Meijer or big box retailers. And once they go on clearance for $4, you're getting 5 or 6, I think, for $4. So can't go wrong. So yeah, that's that. And then moving on, because he was talking about making moonshine and all the other stuff. So here I have ye old. I've took a crap deep freeze, which can be buried in the backyard if sealed properly. And inside, as you can see, is more booze. Now the white wine won't keep as long, but the red wine and the other alcohols will keep just as long as you want to keep them. And this keeps it pretty insulated. Once buried in the ground, it'll control temperature, and it's kind of like a mini wine storage slash booze storage. All right, and that's just an old deep freeze that has went bad, and I cleaned it out and turned it into a cold storage for booze. Moving on. So next, if you wish to brew beer, you can go with one of these two lovely items, which I will show you now. The Mr. Beer Brew Kit, which has plastic crap. Probably won't last very long. However, if you go with a craft brew, this actually has a glass carboy. Recycle your bottles from any beer you may have drank or picked up off the road, and you could recap with the bottle and caps included. So this one here, as I said, is just the plastic one. This other one, which is made by craftbrew.com, I think we got it at Costco. Anyways, this comes with a glass carboy, 1 gallon glass carboy, and all the equipment to do so. You can have the entire package for approximately $40, or you can go with this, which I don't know if they sell anymore, but I bought them because of that. Mr. Beer. Anyways, that is my video response to Pastor Joe Fox. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to HTP because I'm doing spring cleaning as well. And I was just going through all this stuff, and I thought, oh, I'll make a video. So guys and gals, thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm Irish USMC Vet. Simplify Godspeed. Have a great day or evening, wherever you're at.